Hello friends, welcome to SMA Vlog. I'm Shahid. Today in this video I'm going to share a special recipe to make a special lamb curry. Everybody make this lamb curry in their own way, but recently I found a way to make this so delicious lamb curry. In this video I'm going to show all the process to make this curry, and also I will show the special ingredients that we need to make this lamb curry. So I hope you guys will be with me and enjoy the process to make this amazing lamb curry. So before starting the process, I want to thank all my subscribers who already subscribed this channel, and also if you are new to this channel, you can consider to subscribe my channel and also click the small bell icon so that it will notify you when I upload my next video. So now don't waste time and let's go for the process. So guys, to make the lamb curry, I'm going to use these ingredients. I'm going to use this curry powder. I took 2 tablespoons of regular curry powder, around 10 green chili. I cut those green chili into half. I took around 15 pieces of garlic and I cut all the garlics into half. Then I took some cardamom and some cinnamon, and I took 1 tablespoon of chili powder, red chili powder, and here I took 1 tomato. To prepare this curry, I'm going to use around 2 big chunks of onion. I cut these onions into small pieces. Other than that, I'm going to use little bits of regular sour yogurt, a little bit of tomato ketchup, and some chili sauce, just little bit, not too much. Salt according to my taste, and half cup of the regular cooking oil. The initiative today that I took is to prepare this curry in a little bit different way. So the regular way is that we use different types of spices, but today I tried to make this process very simple. So I am going to use this curry powder, and I took around 3 pounds of lamb, and these lambs are in small cubes. Now I'm going to start the process of cooking. First the stove, and now I'm adding these ingredients in the lamb. First I'm giving this green chili, next I'm giving around 2 onions, garlic, 2 tablespoons of curry powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, cinnamon and cardamom. At this point I need to stir it properly. Half cup of cooking oil. Now, because I took 3 pounds of lamb, so I'll put 3 spoons of salt. So I added 1 tomato. Now I'm going to add some yogurt. So I added around 2 spoons of yogurt, little bit of chili sauce, and some regular tomato ketchup. Stir it properly. So nice aroma is coming from this lamb curry because of this special curry powder. You can use any curry powder. These curry powders are available in different names and brands. You can just choose any one, because the main advantage of curry powder is they put all the regular spices together and make a universal powder for all the curry, any type of curry. So I like this curry powder so much. Now I have to wait to cook and reduce this extra water, and when this water level goes down, then I will add extra water, and I will at least cook it for around 1.5 hours. So you need to stir it properly, because you see there are juices coming out from the meat, and if you don't stir it properly it will burn out. At this point I am going to add half a cup of water and lamb curry. Now it need to cook at least 1 more hour in low temperature. The cooking is almost done. Now I have to transfer this meat to my serving bowl. So guys, my lamb curry is ready. Now this is the time. I like this time so much. I have to taste this curry and I will share the taste with you guys. So let's go for it. Wow, looks amazing. All right. Wow, it's hot. Nice flavor is coming. Its aroma is totally different because of this curry powder. It's a little bit spicy, but not that spicy. It's sweet as well because the lamb meat itself is sweet. It's so nice. It's very tasty and it cooked perfectly. So having this lamb dish with rice or any kind of bread will be awesome. We all like this curry so much, and as you saw that it's very easy to make, and you guys should try it and let me know how you guys did it in the comment section. And if you have any question, as usual, you can write it there and I will try to answer those questions. So thanks guys for watching this video till to the end. That's all for today. I hope I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.